Have you been on the search for a home in the Suffolk County area? I know, inventory is rough. So I highlighted 6 listings under $600K in Suffolk County for you. 22 Fisher Road in Commack has a 4-bed and 1.5 baths listed at $569. At $499, convenient location, 311 Maple Court in Copiague has a 4-bed, 2-bath. Eastern Suffolk, we have 31 Sayville Road in Sound Beach. 3 beds, 2 baths listed at $474. Also a little east, we got East Patchogue at $549 is a 4-bed, 2-bath on 15 Eastbourne Crescent. Just under $580 is 26 Michigan Avenue, 6 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The bio below has details for all these along with the lovely listing agents associated. You can contact me regarding financing. As always, happy house hunting.